Welcome to day 2 of 365 days of wearing my worthiness. Today I'm going to share with you how to take a statement pant and really rock it. Alright, so today, as you can see, I am wearing a whole outfit with the mustard on the top and plaid pants. Yes, you heard me right, I am wearing plaid pants. They are fabulous, they are fur lined, and they are bold. So how am I pulling off this outfit together? Let's start with the top, shall we? All right, I've got 2 tones of mustard happening on top, and I love to do tone on tone with only 2 items in my whole outfit. That's key number 1. And key number 2 is making sure that each piece has a little bit different texture to it so that the one can stand off of the other. In this case, very chunky necklace has facets to it, kind of texture, and then my sweater has slight texture to it, but as you can see, it's really the chunkiness of the necklace that stands off of the sweater, even though they are the exact same tone. Now with the pant, if you have a statement pant like I'm wearing right here with the plaid, you want to make sure that everything else that you add to your outfit is either neutral or just one other color. So I followed that rule here because I'm wearing a neutral, these taupe high boots, and also one other color, which is the mustard. I like to also make sure that if I have a statement piece like these plaid pants, I only let some of it show, so I don't really overwhelm with too much, and I think that's how you can create a really cohesive outfit. One other tip for you, when you're wearing a sweater like this, and it's one solid color, even though this one does have slight interest to it, as you can see with the asymmetrical cut, which is really fun, go ahead and roll your sleeves and do it so that the bottom shirt can peek out a little bit. You're going to add a little bit of interest and also go ahead and put it up for a cute little slouch. Now you can see the difference in these two and how this one is a lot more interesting. You can also then add bracelets. So there you go, there is day 2. Do you see how even you can rock a plaid pant when you go ahead and put the whole look together like this?